welcome back to D&D Fun World, a brand new channel where we're gonna be filled you up with challenges and fun videos. Okay guys, so today we want to thank all of you for subscribing to our channel. We've been getting loads of subscribers and our videos are getting mad views. This is very good for our channel because it helps us make a good video. In the comment down below what you want us to do, and also what kind of challenge you want us to make, or videos you guys would like to watch. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be doing a dance challenge. It's a challenge where each one of them will come up and dance, and we will see which one can dance better. Okay guys, so we've got Deborah set up, and I'm gonna play the music so she can dance. Dama's gonna dance to the same music. I wanna see who can dance better. Okay, that's it for you, round one, Deborah. Now, you're gonna come up and it's gonna be Diamond's turn. Okay, Diamond, you can go in. You're gonna dance to the same music, the same time length, so it's your turn. Okay, Diamond.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. If you feel like happiness is the truth.
Okay, Diamond, that's it for you. Personally, I think that was a draw because they used the same dance moves. So we're gonna move to the next round and final round. It's gonna be the next music, and both of you are gonna go in and we're gonna see who wins. For the last round, the comment section below, you guys can tell us who won. Okay guys, so we've moved to the next round and final of the dance challenge. So we've got Deborah up first with a final song that she has to dance to. Okay, Deborah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Can you do it? Now watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. Okay, okay. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. You do it. Watch me, watch me. You do it. Okay. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Okay, Deborah, that's it for you. Now it's Diamond's turn, and we're gonna see who can win. Okay, Diamond, so it's your turn now. We've seen that you can do yours, so it's gonna be the final round, and whoever wins this will win today's challenge. You can put a comment down below who you think won if you think my predictions were wrong to you. Okay, Diamond.
Watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me, nay, nay. Can you do it? Now watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. Okay, okay. Watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. You do it. Watch me, watch me. You do it. Okay. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Okay, Diamond, that's it for you. That was a bit of a funny dance, but okay, I think overall, Diamond, you won because your dance was more amusing. So, anyways, we're gonna leave to the YouTubers and the people who watch our videos the chance to tell us who won this challenge. So, I think it was Diamond, but you guys in the comment section below can tell us who won today's challenge. Okay, guys, so it's now the end of our video. I'm going to say bye now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow our Instagram page d.d_funworld, and thank you to all the people, to all the subscribers we've got, and to all the people supporting our YouTube channel. Bye.